This is how I spent 48 hours over 3 days in Bukhara. In Bukhara, this is where I'm staying. What I learned was that doors matter a lot in these caravanserais. The doors are gorgeous and also a bit difficult to open. So this is the entrance to my door. Let me also show you the windows. They're always like this. This is like a terrace where clothes are drying. Now if I go towards my room, it has been a struggle. So there are these door knobs. You lock them together like this with a lock, and opening this has been such a pain. It's been, let me try it now. There, I have to use my legs to open it, and then there is a whole lot of dust that comes out. I am in the streets of Bukhara, now walking towards Chor Minar, which is very close to where I'm staying. The streets are okay, there is a nice little playground here, and there are some kids playing. So as I'm walking around, I feel that Bukhara is very rustic compared to Samarkand. Okay, this is Chor Minar, and on the top there, on the very top, you can see a nest with 2 storks in it. There's nothing much here, just shops. There's shops around here. Oh my god, look at this place. It's so fancy. All the feelings I had of Bukhara being rustic is totally gone. I mean, just look at this place. Check out the moon. So these trading domes are from the 16th century, and now they sell everything together, like these cool scissors with dolls. But at that time, each sold a different merchandise. So let me tell you a bit about the Poi Kalyan complex, which we are about to see shortly. It is home to a madrasa, a mosque, and a magnificent minaret which stands at 47 meters tall. Now that's my first view of the Poi Kalyan minaret, and just wow! It is said that for centuries, this minaret has served as a lighthouse for caravans crossing the desert. It is also said that when Genghis Khan rode into Bukhara in 1220, he destroyed virtually everything inside, but not this minaret. He was so impressed by it. Okay, this is the Ark of Bukhara. There are lots of school students here right now. It looks like a big fortress, but it's sunny, it's getting sunnier, and the days here can get really sunny, although the mornings were very cold, and I'm hoping I don't get burnt to death inside, but let's see what's inside. The Ark of Bukhara is a fortress that has been continuously inhabited for over 2000 years. Ancient kings, Mongol conquerors, Silk Road dynasties, and finally the Emirs of Bukhara all have called this place home. Okay, so good morning from the Ark of Bukhara. It's a nice, pleasant morning. This is a mosque of the Ark of Bukhara, and inside are some really old Qurans, pictures, manuscripts. Amazing how many of these monuments have stores inside them. It's full of stores. Okay, there is some sort of an archaeological park here, which is nothing but ruins. Okay, I wonder how old this is. So the archaeological park is on the uppermost level of the Ark, in the eastern part of the complex. And from here you can see the Kalyan Minaret and Poi Kalyan, the whole complex, which we went through last night. Some galleries with the most beautiful jewelry, just amazing jewelry. I use the word amazing again. These are the emirs who probably lived here. They look fierce. These were the stables. The greeting courtyard, apparently the king was greeted by 300-400 people every day. And then this is the Coronation Hall. The Coronation Hall is where the Emirs of Bukhara were officially crowned. And finally, this is the throne room. This is the Emir's throne. And his clothes. The fat Emir. This is what the city must have looked like. Just a short distance away, on the other side of the road, is the Bolo Hauz Mosque, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. All the doors are like so intricate. And the ceiling, oh my god, just look at it. This is Imam al-Bukhari Square, and that's Imam al-Bukhari Museum. This is the Imam al-Bukhari Memorial Complex. It has a museum inside it. This is the market, and this is Chashma Ayub Maorasi. I'm now at Markazi Bazaar, the central market for Bukhara. These markets are all so clean. Okay, more of my favorite capes. There's so many of them, I love it. And this is the stuff they make the tea from, which is so delicious. The smell is like killing me right now. Just so good. Just look at the dry fruit variety. And it's very, very cheap. Just look at the variety. And we got like 1 kilo of that and 500 grams of this for less than $8. There are these salad bars here. There is a whole party going on in the Bukhara Central Market. There are brooms at that end. Bread maker. And a whole complex of fruits. This is the Sumalak. Roaming around the market obviously got us hungry, and so we went to a Plov shop. Plov is Uzbekistan's national dish, like the Indian pulao, but it has a lot more meat. In every region of Uzbekistan has its own version. It is delicious. Now we are back to Lyabi-Hauz, and this is the Nasruddin Hoja statue. Back to the trading domes, we talked to one of the artists working out of there, Firoz. How long does it take for you to complete one painting?
Like this picture,
Yeah.
7 days, sometimes if I am busy 10 days like that.
It's from your head?
Yes, this is my imagination. I am specialist about this painting. I taught 8 years in Bukhara State University.
Wow.
This is the Poi Kalyan complex. That's the Kalyan or Kalyan Minaret. And this is it, the other madrasa. Don't ask me the name. The whole compound at sunset. This is Bukhara's Sitora Mohi Khosa Sitara Mahal equivalent. Let's see what's inside.
So let me tell you a little bit about Sitorai Mahal. It was the summer palace of the Emirs of Bukhara, built in the 19th century. And what makes it fascinating is its blend of Russian imperial architecture and traditional Uzbek craftsmanship. A visit is a welcome break from the hubbub of the city and the chaos, except for the plentiful peacocks inside, which were so noisy. In the evening, I went back to Lyabi-Hauz for one last meal, and then I chanced upon this puppet workshop, which was pretty amazing and cute as well. Take a look.